Class 7. Today I am going to start chapter number 5, that is all about exponents and power. So just you need to take your book, open your book and look at this chapter. This is the new chapter, exponents and powers. Here exponents means what? Exponents means what? When a number is multiplied by itself several times, it can be expressed in the exponential form. Okay, and when you are writing like that, suppose when I am writing 2 into 2 into 2, how many times 2 is written? 3 times. That means I can write it 2 to the power 3. You can read it as 2 to the power 3. Suppose I am writing 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. How many times 10 is written? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can write it 10 to the power 4. You can read it as 2 to the power 3 or 2 raised to the power 3. Here, like in the same way, you can read it as 10 to the power 4 or 10 raised to the power 4. So it is very simple to read it as 10 to the power 4. Here, if I am writing 10 to the power 4, I am taking one thing, 10 to the power 4, it means that here 10 is called the base. This 10 is called the base. What is 10 called? Base. And what is 4 called? 4 is called as power. 4 is called as power or exponent. So here 10 is called the base and 4 is called the power or exponent. So you have seen that when a number is multiplied by itself several times, then the simplest form is to write it like that. That means you can write it 2 to the power 3. And here suppose I am writing 10, 10, 10, 10. I am multiplying it 4 times. So you can write 10 to the power 4. One more example, suppose I am writing here a into a into a into a into a into a, and suppose I have told you to write it 20 times. How many times? Till how many times you need to multiply a? 20 times. How you can write it? A to the power 20. That means it is clear that a is multiplied 20 times. Once I am asking you what is the base here, you can say a is the base. What is the power here? 20. Or what is the exponent here? 20. I hope that you have understood to read it or to express it. Now where it is used? Actually, powers or exponent are used to express very large numbers. Very large numbers. Suppose what is the distance between the earth and the moon? You need to measure it. How many kilometers? Then you will have a very large number. In that case, actually exponent or powers are used. That means exponent and powers are basically used to express very large numbers or very small numbers also. Very small numbers also. Suppose I have told you to weight your hair. That means just you take out one of your hair and weight it. What will be its weight? That it will be very small number, very small quantity. So to express the small quantities, you will see further that we will represent it by the negative signs. So that I will teach you later on. But simply you have to understand that exponents and powers are basically used to express very large numbers or very tiny or small numbers. In both the cases, it is helping us to write and read the numbers. Okay. Now coming to your exercise, just exercise 5A. Go there, but you must keep remember that how to express it. If sometimes it is written it like that, you can understand that 2 into 2 into 2 can be written as 2 to the power 3 or 10, 10, 10, 10. If 4 times written, then you can write 10 to the power 4. Here one thing is called base, so 10 is called the base and 4 is called the power. Here also, if I will tell you here 2 is the base, you can see that this 2 is the base and this 3 is the power. So like that you can understand. Here you can see that A is the base, and 20 is the power. So you have to understand first of all what is base and what is its exponent or power. Okay. Now I will suggest you all to copy it down so that you can understand it, that what is base and what is power. Now you have to use this in your exercise 5A. Now in 5A exercise, question number 1 is there. Find the base and power in each of the following expression. There are few expressions are given there. You need to find its base and power. So question number 1, let us understand 1A. First question is there, 3 to the power 2. It is written as 3 to the power 2. Here, as I have told you, what is base? Base here you can see here directly you can write base is 3 and power is, what is power? Here the power is 2. So in this question you can see you have to read it. Just you write what is base, so 3 is the base, and what is power? Power is 2. So find the base and power. Here very easily and simply you can write. Suppose one more question I am taking there, question number C. Here it is written 6 to the power 6. So what is base here? Here you can see base is also 6 and the power is also 6. Base is also 6 and the power is also 6. Both are 6. One more question. So this is E number. This is E number. It is written A plus B and it is whole square. What is written? A plus B whole square. So what is base here? You can write here the base is A plus B and the power is, what is the power? Can you guess? The power is 2. So now I hope that you have understood what is base and what is power. So just you copy down, then I will show you question number 2. Now coming to question number 2. Write the following repeated multiplication problems in exponential form. Here what is the question? Just use go 2A. Read this question. How many times 4 is there? 6 times 4 is written there. So 4 into 4 into 4, then again there is 4, then again there is 4, then one more time here there is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 4 is written there. So how to write it? I can write it 4 to the power 6. I can write it 4 to the power 6. So it is written in exponential form. You have to write it like that. This will be the answer itself. In B number, what is written? A. How many times A is written? Just you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times A is written. So A is written 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 times. So I can write it A to the power 8. I can write it A to the power 8, and that is the exponential form of this. So like that you can write this number. Now question number 3. I am taking question number 3. Here 3 number, which is greater? Now you can see which is greater, 2 to the power 9 or 9 to the power 2. This time you have to multiply the number in the rough side and you can check it. So here 3A, it is written that 2 to the power 9, and here you can make a box, and here 9 to the power 2, and you need to put the sign. So like that you may have the question that which sign you will fill in this blank, which sign you can fill in this blank 2 to the power 9. When you will go in the rough side, multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 9 times, that then you will see that the value of 2 to the power 9 is greater than 9 to the power 2, because 9 to the power 2 means 9 into 9. 9 into 9 will give you 81. But here when you will multiply 2 into 2 into 2 9 times, then the value will surely greater than that value. So this way you have to calculate. This time you need to calculate it in the rough side, multiply it in the rough side and just see the number, and you can decide which number is bigger and which number is smaller. So just you copy down these questions, and the remaining questions which I am not doing, that is surely I am giving you the homework that you have to do in the homework. Do those questions in your homework, in your classwork copy, and you must send it to me. Now question number 4 is there. Express the following number as exponent of their prime factors here. What do you mean by prime factors? You have done the prime factor already in your previous class 6, class 5 also you have done the prime factor. So I am going to show you question number 4a. It is written 100. So first of all, what to do? I am going to prime factorize it. 2 5 ja 10. Take the smaller prime numbers and factorize it like that. Then 5 5 ja 25. Further you cannot factorize. Therefore you can write it that 100 means what? 2 into 2. How many times? 2 you are having? 2 times 2. So you can write 2 to the power 2. And how many times 5 you are having? 2 times. So you can write 5 to the power 2. So it can be written as 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2. This is called the exponential form of the numbers. Express the following numbers as exponents of their prime factor. So here 2 times 2 was there, so I have written 2 to the power 2, and again 5 is there 2 times, so I have written it here 5 to the power 2. Like that you can write. Now one more question I am taking. This time I am taking C number question. So this was A number, then C number there is 500. What to do? I am going to find the prime factor of 500. Once again I am going to take the smallest prime number, that is 2. Then here I will have 250 times, it can cancel. Again 2 can cancel it 125 times. Again 5 can cancel it 25 times. And again 5 can cancel it 5 times. So further what you have seen, that if I will write this 500 as exponential form, then here 2 is 2 times, so I can write 2 to the power 2. Then how many times 5 is there? 1 2 3 times, so I can write it 5 to the power 3, and it will be the answer itself. So like that you can express these numbers as exponents of their prime factors. Now question number 5. Now question number 5. What is there? Simplify. So 5 number question you need to simplify. Before starting simplification, one thing I am going to tell you. Suppose I am asking you minus 1 to the power 2, that means it is clear that its value will be 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 will give you 1. Like that, if I am writing minus 1 to the power 10, its value is also 1. Like that, if I am writing minus 1 to the power 100, its value is 1. That means what I am going to tell you, that if minus 1 to the power any even number is there, then its value is always positive. On the other hand, if I am writing minus 1 to the power 3, like that, minus 1 to the power 7, minus 1 to the power, suppose I am writing 27, and I am asking you minus 1 to the power 101. Here you can see minus 1 to the power 3, its value will be minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 7, its value will be minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 27, its value will be minus 1. And minus 1 to the power 101, its value will be minus 1. That means something we have to learn here. What to learn? If minus 1 is having any even number, then its value is always positive. On the other hand, if minus 1 is having any odd number as power, if minus 1 is having odd powers, then its value will be minus 1. Keep remember this, it will help you in doing many questions. Now coming to question number 5, simplify. Here 5 number A, the simplification is there, that means you need to write the value minus 1 to the power 21, minus 1 to the power 21. As you can see, first of all you just check this number, it is 21, it is odd or even number, as 21 is an odd number, therefore its value will be minus 1. Directly you can write your answer, no need to write minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. You have to write 21 times, then ultimately you will have your answer. No need to write it like that, just you can use your concept to write the answer of such questions. Suppose in B number, if I am having a question 0 into 21 to the power 0 into 21 to the power 6. As you know, when 0 multiplied by any number, its result is always 0. So these questions can be done in this way directly. Now suppose I am going to do C number, here 2 to the power 5 into, it is 3 to the power 2. So what to do? Now we have to write it, because you need to multiply. Here 2 5 times, so 3 times I have written, this is 4 and this is 5 times 2 I have written, then 3 I am going to write 2 times. So as 3 to the power 2 is there, so 3 I have written 2 times. Now I can multiply it. How to multiply? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 2s are 32. So you can divide the groups to multiply. So 2 2 2 2 2 5 times if I have multiplied, the result is getting 32. Then 3 into 3 is coming as 9. Then you can multiply these two number. 9 2s are 18, 8 carry 1 and 9 3s are 27 and 1 28. So the answer will be 288. So like that, by first of all you have to write the exponential form of the given number, then from that number you have to multiply, you have to make the group according to your own convenience, and then you have to multiply those numbers to get your answer. So like that you can do the questions written there, simplify or evaluate. Evaluate is also the same way, the same manner you can do that question. So the 6th number question I am going to show you. So I hope that now question number 5 you can do by yourself now. Now I am looking at question number 6. So in 6th number again evaluate is written. Question number 6a, what is the question? 2 to the power 4, it is written 2 to the power 4. That means 2 2 2 2 4 times I am going to multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Directly I can write here 16 is your answer. So like that you can write the numbers. Suppose one more question I am taking, C number this time I am taking. It is written minus 9 to the power 3. It is written there minus 9 to the power 3. It may be written as minus 9 into minus 9 into minus 9, but you need to take the bracket here because two signs together you cannot write. Now you know that 9 and 9 when you will multiply you will have 81 as positive. So I am writing here 81. Then again you have to multiply it by minus 9. So what will happen? 9 1 ja 9 and 9 8 ja 72, and here minus sign is there. So put here minus sign. The answer will be minus 729. So this is your answer. So like that you can find the answer. So in case of simplify or in case of evaluate, you need to do those questions like this only. So question number 7 also you can do in the same way. Now question number 8, express the following rational number in exponential form, that I am going to show you. Now, question number this time 8. So, here 8a, that is written 64 upon 625. Here 64 upon 625. First of all, you need to find the prime factors of these numbers at the rough side. So, first of all, I am finding the factor of the 64. So, the factor is like that, it is coming, just you check. So, what factor I have got for 64? How many 2s I am getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 32 times, then again this 2 16 times, then again this 2 8 times. So, like that I am having what? Again 64 I can write 2 to the power 6, because you can see 6 times 2 you are having here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then another number is 625. For this also I am going to factorize it. By 5 I can factorize, by 5 I can cancel 625, again by 5 I am having 25, again by 5 I can cancel it. So, how many 5 you are having? 4 5. So, you can write 5 to the power 4. So, like that you can write your answer. So, now you can see that both the numbers at the numerator and at the denominator, both the numbers are written in the exponential form. So, in this way you can do 8a also. Now, after 8a, one more question I am taking, that this question is 8d number. Suppose I am taking 8d. So, in 8d what is there? 343. This is 343 upon 2025, upon 2025. Now, at first in the rough side you need to factorize this number. So, once again I am going to factorize it. So, how to factorize 343? 343. I know that this number can be divided by 7. So, 7 can divide it. 7 4 ja 28 and 7 9 ja 63. Again 7 can divide. So, 3 7s are there. So, against 343 can be written as 7 to the power 3. Then 2025 is there. So, 2025 I can cancel 5 4 ja 20 and 5 5 ja 25. Again 5 8 ja, then 5 1 ja. Again 3 can cancel this number. How many times? 327 times. Again 3 9 times, again 3 times. So, you can see here, first of all 3 is coming 4 times and 5 is coming 2 times. So, you can arrange it while writing 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 2, and it is your answer. So, in the rough side you must show its prime factors when you are doing such type of sums. So, today I am giving you exercise 5a to do all the questions. Okay. Then I will start 5b on the coming class. Thank you for today.